Frida works at the supermarket. She stacks cans in a pattern like this. Here we have a 1 can high stack, a 2 can high stack, and a 3 can high stack, and the key being that there's always a step pattern. How many cans does Frida need to make a stack 5 cans high? Okay, now we see that we have a pattern here. A 1 can high stack, a 2 can high, a 3 can stack. And then we'll also have one that is 4 high and one that is 5 high. Now rather than drawing out every single pattern, we can try and find a numerical relationship between how many cans are in each of the stacks. Let's look at this here, for example. There is 1 can in our first stack, and 4 cans in the second stack, and then 9 cans in this stack here, and we see that we now have a pattern. We have 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and now we can assume that the pattern will continue. For our 4 can high stack, 4 squared is 16, so we can assume that there's 16 cans, and the 5 can high stack, 5 squared is 25. So it would be very reasonable to suppose, to make a 5 high stack of cans, that Frida would need 25 cans. So our answer here should be D.